welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode we will be making Zuppa Toscana. This soup is rich and creamy and it is full of flavor, and it's only 30 minutes. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we are going to start by mincing our garlic. Next, we are going to chop our onion. We're going to peel and chop our potatoes. Over medium heat in a large pot, we are going to cook our sausage. And we're going to cook our sausage for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, this is how our sausage is looking. That looks great. Now go in with your onion and your garlic. And we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, go in with your chicken broth. And 2 cups of water. The only reason I added the extra water is because I wanted to add the Maggie cube to it to give it more flavor. So if you don't want to add the Maggie cube or you don't have any, feel free to just use only the chicken broth. After adding in your chicken broth, go in with your potatoes. And we're going to bring this to a boil, then simmer for 20 minutes. While we wait on our soup, we're going to cook some bacon. And we're going to cook our bacon until they are nice and crispy. After your bacon are done, go ahead and place them on some paper towels. And set them aside. After 20 minutes, this is how our soup is looking. So now we are going in with our kale. After adding in our kale, we are going in with our heavy whipping cream. Give that a stir. And now we are going to bring this to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, we are going to taste our food just to make sure that it doesn't need any other seasoning. Now that it is boiling, let's give it a taste. It tastes delicious, guys. So with this recipe, you do not need a lot of seasoning because the sausage itself bring out a lot of flavor. So I am going to add a little bit of black pepper and some salt. And that is all that it's called for. You do not need to add a lot of seasoning besides the Maggie cube, salt and pepper, because the sausage is full of flavor. So I am going to simmer for another 2 minutes, and that should call it good. So my Zuppa Toscana soup is ready. Take a look. I went and topped it off with some bacon because bacon is light. Also with some smoked paprika, and it looks amazing. And it tastes even better. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.